It is day one here in Tanzania. We just drove 2 hours to the small town called Agutu, where in 2020 we installed a well, the Waterboys installed a well into this small village. We're going to show you where they used to get their water and what we were able to provide for them. So check it out. Unfortunately, we found out that we were not able to go to the old water site as they had heavy rains last night, and the vehicles won't make it. So now we are heading to the new water site. This is one of the distribution points for the main well. They are located in between 3 of the villages, so that way they only have to walk 1/3 of the way to get clean water, as opposed to walking 3 times as far to get dirty water. This main water well produces 10 to 12,000 liters per hour and provides water to over 15,000 villagers in 3 different villages.
We have a saying in Kiswahili that water is life. But then we have another saying which says that there is no substitute to water.
Asante sana, we're honored to be here to cut the ribbon today. So it's time to cut?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you can focus the best. The pump in here is automatic. When there is sufficient sunlight, it operates. If there is insufficient sunlight, it does not operate. And when the tanks are full, there is a sensor which cuts off the power. And so it can never run dry and get spoiled or get ruined. And so we appreciate that very much. We appreciate your partnership in development, and we appreciate the fact that we can help our people through providing clean, safe, potable water. Asante sana, which means thank you very much.